Good morning, friends. This is really a very pleasant duty because not only, meeting you and seeing you and speaking to you, but I get to have the last word. So this is vote of thanks. This workshop is the first in a series after SCDR became an independent center. And although many of us have been involved in research and designing the curriculum, developing the program, and bringing out publications for several years, it got its due recognition recently and got its official birth on 26th October 2017 when the center was launched and inaugurated by none other than Honorable Minister of State for Home Affairs, Shri Kiren Rijiju. I'm so delighted and proud of our Vice Chancellor, Honorable Professor Jagdish Kumar, who has been instrumental in translating the dreams into reality. His unstinting support and cooperation throughout the struggling period cannot be forgotten. Without his constant support, SCDR would not have scaled the mountains of success in such a short period. We are indeed grateful to you, sir. We are also thankful to our dynamic Rector 1, Professor Chintamani Mahapatra, who really speaks from his heart, as you could see, who has come forward on several occasions to steer our boat to safety. Thank you for being with us through thick and thin, sir. Our sincere thanks extend to Rector 2, Professor Satish Chandra Garkoti, and Rector 3, Professor R.P. Singh, who were always ready to assist us and provide us a shoulder to lean on and also cry on. We are thankful to our Registrar, Dr. Pramod Kumar, who has always been supportive, our Finance Officer, Professor Hiraman Tiwari, and the Deputy Finance Officer, Mr. Shankar Dhar, for their timely intervention in helping us follow the rules of financial mitigation. We were indeed fortunate to have Mr. Sanjeev Kumar, Director CIS, with us to sort out all our technology needs. We are appreciative of Professor Atul Jowhary, Director HRDC, and our entire administrative staff for being there, ready to extend all possible help in addressing our difficulties from time to time. Our deep gratitude and appreciation extends to the Indian Council of Social Science Research, without whom this workshop could not have been possible in the first place. We sincerely thank Shri Dr. Braj Bihari Kumar, Chairman ICSSR, and Professor Virendra Kumar Malhotra ji, Member Secretary ICSSR, for their unrelenting support. And as you can see, we keep getting the guidance from time to time with their vast experience and knowledge. Thank you very much, sir. We are also grateful to the Indian Oil Corporation for their help and cooperation for our oncoming international conference, which is in continuation to this workshop. We also extend our heartfelt thanks and appreciation for the technical assistance received from NDMA, NIDM, and MHA, in addition to Jawaharlal Nehru University. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank and appreciate our delegates coming from different parts of the country. Besides Delhi NCR, they are from Assam, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Maharashtra, Odisha, Puducherry, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, and West Bengal. Some have arrived, others will be joining us soon. We are so delighted and welcome you here and hope that your stay is academically rewarding and your stay comfortable. Our sincere thanks to all our resource persons from India and abroad, representing various institutes and universities of repute. Our 10 international experts are from Harvard, USA, Sri Lanka, Singapore, Japan, Bangladesh, and Philippines. Delegates from China could not attend as it happened to be their Chinese New Year, where celebrations goes on for weeks like our Diwali and Dussehra. Our sincere appreciation and thanks extends to our Indian resource persons from universities, Indian Space Research Organization, Earth Sciences, Department of Science and Technology, Natural Disaster Recovery Management Services, the National Disaster Management Authority, particularly Shri R.K. Jain. Also to Shri Bipin Malik, Executive Director of the National Institute of Disaster Management, Tata Institute of Social Sciences, Indian Institute of Space Science and Technology, All India Disaster Mitigation Institute, Ahmedabad, Institute of Public Administration, Center for Health and Development, and former Additional Chief Secretary, Government of Kerala, the Kalinga Institute of Industrial Technology, Bhubaneswar, and the NGOs, particularly Shakti Vahini in New Delhi and Prajwala from Hyderabad, who have come to share their field experiences along with officials from the UN Women. They will be here tomorrow. Well, friends, we have a long agenda beginning today, followed by the international conference, which will be on from 16th to 18th February. And carrying this program forward is not easy, as one needs extra arms and limbs. We found these in our young, energetic researchers who spread themselves far and wide to achieve the desired results. Without a break, they have foregone many a pleasure to be our corner pillars, proving their mettle in taking this program to its logical end. May I request the researchers to please come forward when I take your names, and please, friends, give them a big round of applause for their sincere and hard work over the last few months. They are Gorika, Nupur, please come here, Moom, please come, Narendra, Chetna, some of them are outside, I think, Natasha, and Homalata. Not undermining the initial efforts that came from Manika Kamtham and Rahila Sikandar. Manika has a changed marital status now, and Rahila is a new mother. Some of the researchers are teaching, and despite that, they seem to be omnipresent, taking on responsibilities with sincerity and perseverance. 3 cheers to this young, dedicated lot. Thank you all very much.
Can I add? The other 2 who were with us in the initial years, Binod is there, Priyanka is there.
Okay, I'm sorry if I have
yeah, because they were not.
Please come here, Priyanka, Vinod. Who else is there? Shikha?
Shikha was one of the earliest.
Please come here for a group picture, please. Thank you all so much. And
can I also join?
please.
They are now teaching in colleges. Shikha, Priyanka, Binod.
How wonderful is this? Please take all of us.
Come closer. Please come closer.
Yeah, please come closer.
You won't get this opportunity. Come closer.
I hope nobody is hiding behind me. Please come. They're all yelling, ma'am. Please go.